My name is O'Darlin.
And my name is Jackie.
And today we're gonna have so much fun.
We're gonna do circle time, story time, and some fun activities. Are you excited?
I sure am.
Are you excited?
I think they are.
Are you guys ready to go? Let's go!
Good morning, friends. This is Miss Erika, and I have a fun activity that you can play at home. You can even save it for another day, and it's really fun. We just need to use some rice. If you have some uncooked rice at home, we'll use some bags. We can have, I'm gonna use 4 different colors, so I need a bag for each color. I use food coloring. I know some friends of mine use paint, but it does take a little longer to dry, so that's why I like to use the food coloring. And a measuring cup. You can use whatever measurements you want. I try to make equal parts of each color. If you want it brighter, you can use brighter colors. So what colors do we have today? Blue, green, blue, green, I have red and yellow. And remember, we could always make different colors like purple with blue and red. We could make orange with red and yellow. First, I'm gonna fill each bag with some rice. I'm gonna use a measuring cup so that I know I'm putting the same amount in each bag. You can use whatever size measuring cup you want to use. You can make as much rainbow rice as you want. 1 bag. I'm gonna do everything inside of my container here, which I'm gonna use to play with my rice later. But I just wanna keep from making a mess, and that's why I'm gonna do this in here. I have some rice left over, and that's okay. I'm not gonna use it right now. I might save it for later just in case I want to add more of another color once I mix everything up. You'll see what I mean once we get there. So now I have 4 bags. I'm gonna keep playing in the container because I don't want to make a mess, especially with this next part. These tend to get messy, so I'm wearing my gloves. I already have blue on my finger and I just touched it. So first, I'm gonna go one by one. First bag, I'm gonna make blue. I like to use the cap, if you guys have one that has a cap, because it keeps me from over pouring the color. And if I want more color, I'll just add more color later. Oh, I forgot to open the bag. Oh, I did open the bag. So just pour that in, close the bag, leave some space like with air. Make sure there's some air inside the bag, so you don't have to squeeze the air out. It's better to have air so that you have room to shake the rice. So I'm gonna shake and shake and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa, look at that color. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you will once we take all the rice out. I'm gonna use this color next. What color is that one? That's green. Gonna open the bag. And I'm gonna pour some of the color right into the cup. Carefully, I'm gonna pour it in here. Good thing I have my gloves on because I'm already full of color, which I didn't want. Because I wanna show you guys later how you can play with the rice and not get color anywhere. My favorite thing about this, using the rice. The rice really takes the color in, and once it's dry, it doesn't stain your hands. Ooh, it's turning green. Whoa. Wow. I actually see a lot of white left over, and it absorbed all the dye. So I'm gonna add just a few more drops because I really, really want the green to be super green. So I'm gonna add some more. Try to spread it around in there. I might even do it with blue so that it's nice and blue too. Yay! Now it's really green. Okay, my next bag, What color is this one? It's red. You guys can use whatever colors you want. Just remember that. So what color are you using next? Uh-oh, I spilled a little bit, but that's okay. That's why I have the container below me. Okay, I'm using red. Are you guys ready to shake? Close your bag. Ready? 1, 2, shake the bag. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa, whoa, you guys, it's really, really red. Ooh. I might even put a tiny bit more. Do you guys need to put a little more of your color? Or did you get it just right on the first try? Okay, let's see. Yep, I definitely like how red it is now. You could hold it like this so that all the air bubbles and use the space to shake, shake, shake. All right, last one. I'm going to use this color. What color is that? I honestly used it, I thought it was orange at first. It did have a yellow cap. So do you think it's gonna be yellow or orange? Looks orange to me, but I think it'll be yellow. Let's see. I'm gonna put a lot more. Shake it. Need some air. Whoa, that changed super fast. It's definitely yellow. It looks yellow to me. Definitely a yellow color. This is so fun, you guys. I hope you guys are having fun too, shaking all this rice around. All right, so now I have 4 different colors of rice. Yellow, green, blue, and red. So now I'm gonna lay out all the rice in here so I can play with it. And I'm gonna pour 1 color at a time. So let's start with blue. Let's see. Ooh, that is so pretty. It looks like the ocean. So I'm putting it here on this to kind of just make sure it's dry. It dries super fast, you guys. It should already be dry. It depends how much you put in there. So, you guys ready to mix this rice? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna mix and make rainbow rice. Oh my goodness, this looks so cool. Whoa, and it feels so crunchy. You can crunch it. Can you guys try crunching? Crunch, 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 crunch. So, I brought with me some dinosaurs and some dinosaur bones that I'm gonna be throwing right into my rice. And I'm gonna kind of try to cover them up. Use a cup and hide them in there. How about you guys count with me how many bones and how many dinosaurs we can find? Okay, ready? Okay, let's see what I can find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you gotta make sure you look really good. I found 8 dinosaur bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dinosaur bones. There's some dinosaurs in here I haven't found yet. 1, 2, 3, 4 dinosaurs. Super cool. So you guys can take any kind of toy you want and hide it in here. You can use buttons. The smaller it is, the harder it'll be to find, but that's kind of the most fun. when you're all done playing, you can just pack it up in all of your bags and save it for tomorrow and the day after and the day after. Just remember to wash your hands before and after you play to keep the rice clean. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I really had a lot of fun and I miss you guys so much. I'll save this for when I see you guys back in class, okay? Bye!
That was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Awesome, because I know I did.
If you guys want to have more fun with our Smart Start teachers, please come back tomorrow.
And make sure that you like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.